Imagine that you just received an email notification that you made multiple transactions of money while you were out enjoying the things that you love. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is. With the right digital product, you can generate passive revenue consistently with the tips that I'm going to share in this video. If you are starting from scratch, don't be discouraged. I'm going to cover all the tips that you need, but whether you are an established business or a new business, first you need to identify the common questions people are asking and find a solution that answers them with a digital product. There are several different types of digital products out there, but these are a few to consider. Keep in mind your digital products are separate from the services you offer. They can be an extension of your services, however. So your digital products are specifically designed to help you generate passive revenue in your business, so you don't have to take one-on-one clients. An example of an extension of a service could be a website designer who also sells website templates. A few popular digital products you can create are online courses, ebooks are always great, apps, custom LUTs do really well, presets, monthly memberships, templates, as we just discussed, and workbooks. There are several types of digital products, so do your due diligence and see which ones are right for you. These are just my personal favorites that have performed very well for my business and my clients' businesses. For your digital product to be successful, you need to understand your audience's desires. So what you want to do is a little market research, and you want to ask them the questions that you have in your Instagram stories using polls, ask questions in your captions and DMs. You also want to use call to actions. This is going to help you gauge your audience and see what they need. If you're a new business who doesn't have an engaged audience yet, that's okay. What we want to do for market research is you want to follow an Instagram broadcast, maybe a private membership that you have to buy, or a group on Facebook that's free, that's specifically in your business niche. Study the conversations that the people are having in those groups. Understand the questions that are being asked in those circles, because once you can find the common topics that apply specifically to your business and your niche, then you can create a product that solves their problems and satisfies their desires by using that information. Now, once you decide what type of digital product you want to create and the solution that it solves, you need to create strong messaging that connects you and your audience. Keep in mind that your connection is what's going to build trust. It's essentially the thing that's going to get you to sell the digital product. Now, people buy from people they trust. So this is a very important part of building a digital product is brand messaging. And your messaging should speak to your target market's desires. Answer their questions with solutions that paint a story of what their life would look like after buying your product. Let's use the analogy of a wellness coach. Let's say that you're a wellness coach and you're selling an online course, and maybe that course is about healing through, let's say, mindset work. You want to create a reality where your target audience, the people who would be buying this course, can picture themselves peacefully enjoying their lives without any stress, completely at ease around any triggers that would be brought on by their thoughts. And you would do this by explaining how your course offers a solution using your teachings and techniques for mindset work. People want to know their investment will be worth the payout, and it's your job to educate them on how they're going to receive the benefits of their investment after they purchase your product. So you definitely want to make sure that you are painting a picture for them of what their desires will look like once they're satisfied. The best way to do this is through storytelling and testimonials. Think of your offering like a movie. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. It originated from somewhere, which is your beginning. It contains value that solves someone's problems, and it accomplishes their desires, which is the middle, and the end is the benefit they get from the results. When you're selling something people need, it should never feel forced or salesy. It should feel like a gift, a present. It's literally like you are providing someone with so much value. After you've mastered your messaging, which with a little practice becomes easier, you're gonna start to begin selling tons of digital products. So much so that you're gonna wanna keep doing this, and you're going to wanna consider different tier levels. However, when you're just launching a product, you don't wanna overwhelm yourself with too many offerings at once, because it will confuse you and you won't know where to start, and then your audience will be confused. And that's gonna create a lot of burnout. So instead, focus on one product at a time, the one that your audience needs right now, the one that you discovered through your market research. And then once you decide to expand that product suite, there are 3 different types of ticket offers or tier levels that you can include in your products, which are low ticket. These products are typically $99 or less, your middle ticket items, which range roughly about $200 to $500, and your high ticket items, which can go from $900 and up. These are just ballpark prices, of course. Keep in mind when you're choosing which one you want to start with, that your audience is not going to buy just because you have a product at a specific price point. They don't care if it's lower or higher. When they're ready to buy, they're going to buy from someone they trust with an offer that appeals to their desires. Now that you've created your final digital product that your audience wants, you can add an upsell to increase the value of that ticket item. For instance, if you're selling website templates like we discussed earlier, you can add an upsell package to your website template. There are two different types of upsells. You've got service-based, which drives more sales and clients, and then you have creating another digital product, which usually piggybacks on a product that you already have, and that's to generate passive revenue. So if we talk about the website designer and the website template again, the website designer can add a brand kit to the template for a fraction of the cost and sell it as a bundle. So that would be an upsell. Or he or she could offer a self-led video that teaches how to design a website, because traditionally speaking, when somebody is buying a template, they're going to have to do some research and understand how to use the back end of that platform. So that would be an upsell that they could offer. Once you create your digital product and you see just how lucrative it can be, it's going to inspire you to create more products that your audience needs so you can create space to work less and enjoy more freedom in your business, because isn't that why we launched our businesses? I hope this video helped you effortlessly choose your next digital product or get you on the road to creating that digital product and even just thinking about it, so you can be on your way to endless sales notifications every single day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want additional resources like this, check out my podcast, Create the Flow. It's packed with tons of tips for entrepreneurs about how to build a sustainable business. And I've linked that down in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one.